Chapter 5, Section 7, Dividing by Numbers with More Than One Digit. You can use what you know about dividing by small numbers to divide by a larger number. Use the steps below to divide by a two-digit number. For example, divide 598 by 26. Step 1. Does 26 divide into 5? No, 5 is less than 26. Does 26 divide into 59? Yes, it does. Well, let's estimate about how many times does 25 go into 60? Since 26 is very close to 25, it's only one number away, and 59 is very close to 60, it's only one number away, so we rounded to the nearest 5. So 2 25s could go into 60 without going over. So write 2 over the tens place. Step 2 is to multiply 2 times 26. Check that the product is not larger than the number above. 2 times 26 is 52. 52 is less than 59, which is the number above it. Step 3, subtract. 59 take away 52 is 7. Bring down the next digit. 8 comes down, so now it's 78. Does 26 divide into 78? Yes, it does, because 78 is greater than 26. Estimate about how many times does 25 go into 78? 3 times 25 is close to 78. So write 3 over the ones place. Then step 5, multiply 3 times 26. 3 times 26 is 78. Then subtract. 78 minus 78 is 0. Check that the remainder is less than the divisor. This is 0, so yes. Stop dividing. The quotient of 598 divided by 26 is 23. Okay, let's try one. Let's do number 4, since we have space on the side. I'm just going to rewrite it. So 487 divided by 40. 40 is greater than 4, so that's not going to do it. 48 is greater than 40, so I can put at least one 40 into 48. 1 times 40 is 40. And then subtract. Bring down. Now, 2 40s. And 87 minus 80 is 7. There's no more numbers to bring down, and 7 is less than 40. So we have a remainder. 12 remainder 7. So you can pause the video if you'd like to practice more of these two-digit numbers going into three-digit numbers. We can take a look at some everyday problem solving as well. A salesperson, Mr. Roberts, travels each week to visit clients. His last 4 trips are shown on the map to the right. Mr. Roberts averaged a speed of 48 miles per hour from Handertown to Greenville. How many hours did the trip take? Divide the distance by the average speed. The average speed is 48 miles per hour. So we need to know how many hours the trip took from Handertown to Greenville. And there's Greenville. So what do we see? 672 miles. 672. That's the dividend. That's the number getting divided, and we're dividing by the average speed, 48. 48 can't go into 6 because 6 is less than 48. So then we look at 6 and 7, 67. 67 is greater than 48. We can fit one of them in there because I think 2 would be more than 67. So 1 times 48, subtract. Now bring down the 2. Now 192. How many 48s would go into 192? 192 is really close to 200, and 48 is really close to 50. It would take 4 50s to make 200. So let's try 4 and see if it works. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 3 is 192 minus 192. So it took Mr. Roberts 14 hours. You can practice the other two, and please take a look at your workbook for more practice in Chapter 5, Section 7. And of course, if you have questions, let me know and we can do some more of these together. Thank you.